Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Dip Powder Colors is probably one of the most exciting innovations in the nail industry, offering a durable, chip-resistant manicure that lasts for weeks. If you're tired of traditional polish that fades quickly or gel manicures that require UV light, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dip powder, exploring everything from application techniques to color selection, and helping you find the perfect set for your next manicure. Number 5. Saviland Nail Stamper Kit for French Manicure. This Saviland kit includes 2 long and 2 short jelly nail stampers, along with scrapers. It's designed to make nail art easy, picking up patterns quickly. The clear silicone stamper ensures the image doesn't distort, perfect for stylish nail art. The jelly clear nail stamps are soft and durable, with long and short sizes to fit different nail types and designs. Short nails are recommended to use with liquid nail latex when making French manicures. This helps prevent the gel from sticking to the skin. The silicone stamper heads are removable for easy cleaning. They are made of a softer, upgraded silicone material. When using it on pointed or square nails, press gently to avoid damaging the silicone head. This mini-sized kit lets you do nail art anywhere. Enjoy the fun of DIY nail art stamping. First, apply colored gel polish to the stamper's edge, then press vertically to create classic French nails. Finally, you'll have a clean French manicure. Clean the stamper with running water or slip solution and air dry it. You can also use tape to remove gel polish or dirt. If you have any issues with the kit, contact customer service for help. They are here to assist you. What we like? This stamper kit makes creating French manicures a breeze. It's clear, so you can see exactly where you're stamping, and the soft material ensures a perfect transfer every time. If you're looking for a simple way to achieve professional-looking French tips at home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The colors are very pigmented and beautiful. The dip powder is easy to use and lasts a long time. The colors are very pretty and the application is easy. Number 4. Saviland Dip Powder Nail Kit with Drill. This all-in-one kit from Saviland lets you explore your creativity. It includes 20 vibrant dip powder colors, a nail drill, and all the essentials for a perfect manicure. You can easily mix and match colors to create your own unique nail art designs. The Saviland kit uses a healthy, natural formula. The dip powder is enriched with keratin, while the liquids contain vitamin E and other nourishing ingredients. This helps keep your nails safe, strong, and prevents cracking. Enhance your nail care with the included nail drill. It comes with various grinding heads for safe filing, sculpting, and polishing. The drill features noise reduction and low heat, providing a comfortable and efficient experience. Enjoy a wide selection of 20 colorful shades with this kit. The dip powder creates natural-looking, durable nails that last up to 3 to 4 weeks. They are designed to resist yellowing, chipping, and peeling. This dip powder dries quickly, eliminating the need for a nail lamp. This saves time and reduces the risk of skin damage. It makes the nail art process easier and safer. What we like? This kit has everything you need to create stunning dip powder nails, including a nail drill. It offers a wide range of vibrant colors that last for weeks. If you are a nail art enthusiast who wants a complete, professional-grade kit with a drill, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors are super vibrant and the process is pretty easy once you've done it a few times. The tools are great. I like the thin fan brush versus the big chubby one I had from Nailboo. The extra product brushes are a nice touch, as I figure the dip base will eventually need to be replaced even with using the brush saver. Number 3. Lavender Violet's 36 Colors Dip Powder Nail Kit. Get ready for a brilliant, shiny nail finish. This kit includes 36 vibrant colors, perfect for any season. It's a complete set to create stunning dip powder manicures. Made with non-toxic, odor-free, and cruelty-free materials, this kit is gentle on your skin. It's suitable for both beginners and professionals, ideal for home or salon use. The new formula ensures extra fine powders that dry quickly. You'll achieve flawless coverage with superior shine and anti-chip properties. Enjoy lightweight, long-lasting nails. Forget about nail lamps. This dip powder dries in just 30 seconds without one. It saves you time and prevents skin damage, making the process much easier. With proper application, you can enjoy a smooth, bubble-free finish for up to 3 weeks. Remember, the more layers you apply, the more saturated the color will be. What we like. This kit offers an extensive range of colors, perfect for any season. The fine powder dries quickly without a lamp, saving you time and effort. If you like having a wide variety of colors and want a fast, easy application, this kit is ideal. What people say. The colors are very pigmented. The dip powder is easy to use and lasts a long time. The colors are beautiful and exactly as pictured. Number 2. Saviland Dip Powder Liquid Set. This Saviland set includes base coat, top coat, activator, and brush saver. It's designed for both beginners and professionals. The set comes in a beautiful box, making it perfect for anyone who loves doing their nails. This dip powder liquid set is suitable for various nail types. It enhances the hardness of your nails, creating durable designs. With proper application, it can last up to 21 days on your nails. It's easy to use and dries quickly without needing a UV LED lamp. This set makes manicures easier and more convenient, saving you time. Both professionals and beginners can easily master it. The set is made with natural, healthy ingredients and has a low odor. The new formula makes your dip nails more stable. It's also friendly to your nails, helping to protect and strengthen them. This Saviland Dip Powder Liquid Set is a great gift for nail beginners or enthusiasts. It's perfect for your wife, mom, or friends. Remember to store the liquids properly to maintain their quality. What we like. This liquid set is designed for easy application and long-lasting wear. It's a great option for both beginners and professionals. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use liquid set for your dip powder nails, this is the one for you. What people say. I've used other kits and this one is the best. I'm so impressed with this one. Low smell, dries very quickly and seems quite durable. This brand is very good, goes on smooth, dries quickly and lasts for at least 3 weeks. So far no chipping with this system. This product is the easiest one I've tried. I love the glass bottles and extra brushes. It doesn't smell bad as long as your room is ventilated and I haven't had any issues with the brushes hardening. I used with Beetle's dip powder with them and my nails look and feel great. Not bumpy or gritty. Number 1. Honey Joy 6 Colors Red Dip Powder Set. Introducing our red-themed dip powder nail kit. This set includes 6 captivating shades of red, perfect for creating a statement look. It's designed for both beginners and nail experts, ensuring a salon-quality finish at home. Indulge in the luxurious depth of reds with this dip powder kit. Each 10G shade is carefully selected to complement every mood. With easy air-dry application, it promises a long-lasting manicure, showcasing the natural beauty of your nails. Experience the sophistication of this dipping powder. It's perfect for anyone, offering a superfine formula for a smooth application. With just 2 coats, you can achieve stunning, natural-looking nails. It lasts for weeks and is easily removed. Dive into endless possibilities with this acrylic dip powder kit. Regardless of your skill level, you can achieve salon-quality results. Our customer service team is here to help. Start your nail art journey with confidence and style. For best results, follow the correct application steps. Apply the dip powder evenly. Colors may appear slightly different on real nails compared to tips. It's easily removed with nail polish remover. Contact us for help with your dip nails. What we like. This offers a beautiful collection of red shades, perfect for creating a statement look. It's easy to apply and doesn't require a lamp, making it convenient for at-home use. If you like classic red colors and want a simple, long-lasting manicure, you should consider this. What people say. Long-lasting color that survives washing hands, washing dishes, etc. Beautiful colors. Easy application, easy to file. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.